नमस्कार दोस्तों. Why we are in our current situation? Why we have achieved till now what we have achieved? हम आज जो हैं वो क्यों हैं? उसका एक ही आंसर है, our habits, हमारी आदतें. Our success lives or dies by our habits. A positive habit propels you without much effort, whereas a negative habit keep you stuck in your current situation. By creating a positive habit and dropping negative habits can drastically propel you to a new level of success. So now the question arises, how to develop these new habits, from where to start? And the first step is think of your current goals. आपके current goals, aim क्या है, कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं आप? Then second step is think of the habits which are helping you to achieve this current goal, like your daily exercise, early wake up, book reading. Third step is think of the habits which are challenging you, creating obstacle in the way to achieve your current goal. Next step, identify the greatest challenging habit which is obstructing the most in your goal achievement. Then think of what you are gaining by following this negative habit, what it gives you. Some dopamine, some relaxation, some entertainment. Then think of some other positive habit which can give you same single type of enjoyment and even linger on. You can manage, align your habits. Now, think of three habits, three positive habits which can propel you, which can help you, which can gain control, which can push you to achieve your goal. And the last step, work on to develop these positive habits. How you can do this? You can follow a simple process. Like every task when started, first time it is difficult. But with repetition, you repeat it with your conscious effort for 7 days, 10 days, then it becomes easy because now you know about this. If you further repeat it by your efforts consciously, then you gain pleasure. तो आपको आनंद आने लग जाता है इस काम को करने में. जैसे हमने कभी क्रिकेट स्टार्ट किया, सेम वे. Then if you repeat further, now you don't need any efforts. You go easily without any effort. And with this, it becomes your habit. Now you knowingly or unknowingly doing this task, following this habit, which will help you to propel you to achieve your goal. So the key is practice, 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 repetition, repetition, repetition of your habit, initially consciously, further consciously, then it becomes pleasure and then you achieve your habit. So you can follow this